Citizen, chat na lang ako. Ako na lang ma'am. Wait, okay.
Other groups or other members there. No other members or no other students or group. Friend. Walang friend.
Kabataan para sa hustisya at karapatan ang advocacy movement. Atong mission, our mission, mag-usap sa kasantahan para sa maayong lupa, to change the present for a better tomorrow. In panawagan na mo, our all, in bunalsin pangatayan ng karumangansin past administration na ginaing kaso-kaso ang ICC, subay ng mga tutaray o hustisya. Kung tarayo in violence against civilians, subay in biyag sitaw mahalagaan with sincere hearts the wrongdoings of the past administration, especially the cases of the ICC, should be properly brought to justice. Violence against civilians is not right. Human life should be valued. And us, kabataan, with edukasyon at awareness, magtupod kung edukasyon campaign sa mga eskwelahan ug komunidad para ipakibalo ang kamatuoran, bahil sa drug war ug sa mga kaso sa ICC. Mag-gather sin mga stories of victims para di malimtan ang ilang in mga kwento sa pagpapasukan, in karupangan sin war na drug sa kanan.
Okay. So that's very unique. I love that. Okay, next. Ang advocacy campaign unnecessarily English because when you talk about advocacy, you have anong advocacy? Para kanino? Is it only to a group or small group of people? Dapat siya diverse. Okay, sige, start.
As a citizen, and my advocacy is strengthening of the victim and protection of human rights. Step 1 to create an evidence-based policy plan. First, I would gather the statistics of Philippine death rate, as well as particularly undescribed rates of the EJA during 2016 and 2032, and make an imitation of these statistics, and then create a policy plan with experts and trusted organization for the resolution of this problem. Second step is formation of high-quality cooperation. Together with the organization, I will conduct a review of cases of extrajudicial victims, especially consequences of these victims. In such case, we will take coalition during our organization that support the immediately community voices. Step 4 is being on the media. I will schedule the interviews, especially in global and national channels for publicity on the anti-war drug campaign. Step 5 is make your policy and with the publicity, I will develop my organization for the known as position on the war drug. And then we will do a position as a leverage during the election. Step 6 is holding elections during office and looking for advocacy and propose insurance and legalization.
Okay. As we're done, we proceed.
So my role is citizen, and my advocacy is no one is above the law, justice for my class. So the former problems are certain by the International Criminal Court with consent online if lahat naman nila ay fully allowed it. And then launch hashtags for the advocacy for like people to like click on it and disseminate the policy on election issues. Support the leaders who advocate for justice in this election, push the government to cooperate with the ICC, and try to seek laws to protect human rights, and request for reconciliation and to establish the advocacy.
1, 2, 6, but that is not the issue about it's about like families, right? Next.
I want to and member of the European Citizen. As a concerned citizen, I believe in justice and accountability for human rights violations. To support the ICC's efforts in investigating the transport, I propose the associating ICC accountability in the Philippines advocacy plan. One is to create an evidence-based policy plan. Draft a policy promoting ICC cooperation, witness protection, and human rights education. Back the plan with reliable data and research ensuring credibility.
Thank you.
Natural disaster is not I brought an editing, I edited the assignment last time. Have you read about it? Those who can access. Okay? So, I asked you to transfer those drafts of yours in your final advocacy campaign. Okay? I have some notations there. In responding to the pressing issues about the arrest of the former president of the case, crime against humanity, and the Philippine government's act of turning over all the suspect to ICC, create an advocacy campaign acting as teacher, student, child, citizen, etc. Okay? Then I have a notation here to avoid bias because I have heard already your initial plans.
What all the time?
Okay, deadline is Tuesday. Very close, 18. Wala pa kami. Hindi pa natapos namin.
Mga Sunday pa rin mga verify.
Ilan pa?
Tatlo.